Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Thermal drone captured image at 75 Millibart farm. One inverter glowing bright orange. Surrounding inverters cool blue. Difference? 45 degrees. Hot inverter was about to fail. Drone spotted it 2 weeks before failure would cost $800K. Emergency service. Today I'm showing 3 thermal signatures that reveal million-dollar failures months in advance. Inverter failures follow predictable thermal patterns. Long before electrical failure, temperature climbs. A healthy inverter operates at 35 to 40 degrees under normal load. A degrading inverter at 50 to 55 degrees. A failing inverter at 60 to 75 degrees. But most operators only check inverter temps via SCADA in real time. They don't track trends. Is your inverter trending upward 0.3 degrees per month? At that rate, it reaches failure threshold in 18 months. But SCADA only shows current temp, doesn't show trajectory. Thermal drone captures actual temperatures across entire portfolio at one moment. When you see one inverter at 75 degrees and all others at 40 degrees, you know something is wrong. SCADA might be alarming normally because the inverter is still online and producing. Thermal imaging reveals the impending failure. You're thinking, SCADA temperature monitoring is enough. SCADA shows average temperature during operation. Thermal imaging shows instantaneous temperature at specific moment. These are different things. SCADA data is filtered, averaged, and delayed. Thermal data is raw and immediate. An inverter running at 70 degrees might not trigger SCADA alert if designed for higher operating temps. But 70 degrees C under 30 degrees ambient is definitely a failure indicator that SCADA misses. Here's how to use thermal signatures for predictive failure. Step 1. Establish baseline. Deploy thermal drone across portfolio. Record temperatures for every component. Inverters, transformers, string combiners, breakers. Step 2. Identify anomalies. Any component 10 degrees hotter than baseline for its operating condition. Step 3. Trend analysis. Is the hot component temperature stable or trending upward? Trending upward equals failure coming. Step 4. Predictive replacement. Calculate failure trajectory. If trending upward 2 degrees per month and failure threshold is 30 degrees above baseline, replace before reaching threshold. Step 5. Cost analysis. Compare replacement cost, planned 50K, to failure cost, emergency 800K. Schedule replacement when planned cost makes sense. We've covered how thermal imaging reveals impending failures months before electrical detection, and how small upward temperature trends predict catastrophic failures with long planning windows. Your 75 Millibart farm has inverters trending toward failure right now. SCADA shows they're online and producing. Thermal imaging would show 10-degree temperature anomalies. 2 months from now, one fails catastrophically. Emergency repair costs $800K. But you could have replaced it planned, 50 Ks, if you'd seen the thermal signature 2 months ago. Schedule a free thermal failure prediction audit. Thermal drone portfolio imaging plus temperature, baseline plus anomaly detection plus failure trajectory analysis. Identify components currently trending toward failure. Most 100 milliwatt portfolios discover 3 to 7 components with failure trajectories. Planned replacement equals 150K to 350K. Emergency replacement if discovered at failure equals 2.4 M to 5.6 M. Schedule now to prevent emergency failures. Book your audit. First 20 operators get a detailed thermal failure forecast. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.